When gas is produced with oil, the pressure of that gas after separation is often not great enough to enable it to enter the gas transmission line. And high-pressure gas is also needed in some fields for gas lift and injection purposes. So, a method must be provided to increase the pressure of the natural gas to meet these requirements. And here is where reciprocating compressors play their role. This is the first section of a three-section module dealing with reciprocating compressor principles. The simplest and probably most familiar reciprocating compressor is a bicycle pump, just like this one, used for inflating footballs, basketballs, tires, etc. Now, by reciprocating, we mean that the piston moves back and forth in a cylinder. Air pressure is increased by the thrust of a piston within a confining cylinder.